This set of Weewooday K-type thermocouple probes provides a generous stock of temperature sensors, making it practical for workshops, classrooms, or production environments that go through many leads. Each probe has a long 3-meter cable, giving plenty of reach to place the sensor exactly where you need it without constantly moving your meter. The thermocouples cover a wide working range from well below freezing up to typical industrial heating levels, so they handle most general monitoring and troubleshooting tasks with ease. Response time is impressively quick for air and gas measurements, which is valuable when you need to see temperature changes almost in real time. The standard miniature K-type connector works reliably with common handheld thermometers, such as TM902C, TES1310, and many other compatible instruments, adding a lot of flexibility. Fiberglass insulation on the leads offers good heat resistance and mechanical strength, so the wires tolerate bending, routing, and moderate rough handling better than many cheaper vinyl-coated probes.